Hi all. Today, we're going to talk about an essential keyboard shortcut for all Windows computer users, CTRL+Z. This magic shortcut allows you to undo your last action in an instant. Imagine that you accidentally deleted an important file or erased text by mistake. Don't panic. By pressing CTRL+Z, you can easily go back and undo this action. It's as easy as pie. To use this shortcut, simply press the Ctrl and Z keys on your keyboard at the same time. Test it out now and see for yourself how much it can save you time and avoid unfortunate mistakes. Don't forget to practice regularly to master this shortcut and use it effectively in your daily life in front of your computer. Happy using CTRL+Z and see you soon for more tips.